Hey guys, what's up? Gregory DeLeon, welcome to the vlog. It's pretty windy out today. It may look like it's warm. I have a tank top on and it's pretty sunny, but it's kind of chilly. It's around 56 degrees. It's windy, but we could deal with it. So happy Friday, everybody. Hope you guys are having a good day. So yeah, let's get this vlog started. So today, we're actually going to try to fix this piece of crap house right here that I made last weekend. So, first things first, just take this off, and then we should be able to pull it on out. Jeez. My lord. Let's just dig this stick out. There we go. That was easy. Oh, man. There we go. And then it's instantly a wall down. Let me get this rock out. Son of a gun, dude. Seriously, though. Like, come on. Ow. There we go. All fixed up. Alright. Bring this over here. There we go. Okay. Oh, Jesus. There. Okay, so I'm going to set you guys down so I can put the roof up here. Just set it up around right there. Here we go with the roof. Let's do this. This is so difficult. Oof! Ah! Wind! Okay. We're having progress. Come on. There we go. There we go. Putting roof side up. One. Okay, got that up. Tie this side down. Oh, it's so windy. Okay. So now, pull this out, stick it in the ground. There we go. Grab this, pull it over. Grab a stick. And there we go, folks. We got a fully nice house here. Got a floor, our table, It's all padded down. Here's this. Look at that. This is just perfect. It's actually fully covered, so none of this would get wet. Got a seat here. Probably move that little seat right there to here, or maybe there. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Here's the outside look. Got a little canopy here. Staked down by a stick. Got that there, and then got another stick there. And then we got this wall. Put my target up. Scoot this over a little bit more. And there we go. And we got those. And we gotta clean our yard up and make it better, so yeah, my dude. It's pretty decent, I won't lie. There's most people that said, oh, I've done better. This is kind of the only fort I've made besides at my dad's old house. That was made absolutely out of sticks and a tarp, no metal, no nothing but sticks and stones. We had a fireplace in there and everything. That's a nice arrowhead right there. I just need to sand that off. I'll just keep that there. Alright, well, look at that. Let's just weigh this side down because I had it weighed down before. Alright, looks like that's not gonna come out. Just pull that over a little bit more. There we go. Alright, here's the inside look, everybody. If you got to this point, surprisingly. Here's the inside look. So, first thing we're gonna be doing is, oh my god, that's a big dude. First thing we're gonna be doing is we're gonna take this and let's move this over here. Actually, let's not use this. We're gonna use a different tool, like maybe this, because it's pretty sharp on all ends. So we'll probably use that. Or this. This works. Pretty sharp. So, and we could probably use these two things. This probably isn't that sharp, but that works. And then we have a cube that's sharp on all ends here. Yeah, so we'll probably use that too. So what we're going to use it for, or what we're going to try to use these 4 tools for, I'll probably stand that down. But what we're going to use these 4 tools for is we're probably going to like, oh, we have sticks right here. Okay, so this stick is pretty easy to sharpen and unsharpen. So let's get started. Let's see if I can find a good spot to set my phone here. Yeah, let's just use this real quick. Oh god, that is one heavy brick. Alright, so we got this sitting here. Adjust the camera, there we go. So we got our stick here. Oh, that works. Thank you, wind. Got our stick here. We're gonna test all of these rocks here. From this one to this one to this one to this one. Starting with the biggest one here, the triangle. So let's see how good it does. Barely. Let me just focus here. Those little scratches right there, that's all it did. So, toss. Okay, let's use this little thingy here. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to go put a sweater on. Oh yeah, this works pretty good. Kind of. That's what it did. Get that out of here. Let's use the square here. Oh, it's so windy right now. Alright, that's side number 1. It's starting to rain. I felt a raindrop. Alright, so let's just throw that over there. Alright, let's use this. Bro, this works so good. Oh yeah, this is definitely an A. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna start on a new slate to show you how good this thing is. Right here, so that should be good. Look at this. Okay, this side right here. Look at how good. Look at that. Right before your eyes, it does that. It is just so good. Look at that. Alright, so this is definitely a pass. We'll put that over here. Let's try this arrowhead, which is probably not even an arrowhead, so let's try it. Start here. Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, yeah, it'll cut, but not too good. Well, I'll probably have to sharpen this, so we'll just put it right here. So this is the only one that actually cut really good on this side. Obviously, it's pretty sharp, if it'll focus. Obviously, it's pretty sharp. So, yeah. You got a really nice floor. It's actually really comfortable. So, I'm gonna go put a jacket on. Let's go put a jacket on. Oh my god, my freaking legs hurt so bad right now. Oh, look at that storm. We got a storm brewing here. Look at that. So, we'll probably storm here soon. That little bird is getting pushed everywhere. You guys can see it. Oh, there's two more. You guys probably couldn't see it. Alright. Surprisingly, this doesn't hurt my legs. Oh, yeah. Almost died. Sorry. Go put a jacket on. Hi, Mander. I will in a little bit. My dad wants me to call him. I need a jacket. A little bit. Yep. This will have to do. Take this off and put this on. I can't get it on. There we go. Alright, we got this on, so that'll have to do. Where's my Mountain Dew? There's my Mountain Dew, my dude. I also got a whole 12 pack of Coke, so that works. What are you looking at, dog? Back outside we go after I itch my knee. There we go, okay. Dang, bro. I come outside and that happens. Look at that. Just everywhere. That's nice. Alright. Okay. Legit. I should have brought my bow out. I made a bow with stick, string, and those rocks that I was cutting that other stick with. So, it was pretty cool. Oh, my head itches. Oh, wow. There it is. I come back out, and it's destroyed. That's nice. Looks like this wall right here that went over didn't hold up because of that. There we go. No idea how this is going. So we're gonna bring in our ladder to get to the roof. We are now at the roof level. Okay, that goes like that. And then this swings Come on. Alright, we're gonna have to move the ladder. This ladder is very trusty because it's a pole ladder and you can obviously get pretty high. I'm already at the top of the house here. That's not good. So, we're gonna have to be extra careful here. Come on. We got this. Ugh. Okay. No! This thing is just sliding everywhere. Oh my god. Okay. I got it. I got it. Sorry if you guys can't see me right now. Ugh. Stick stuck on me. There we go. Ugh. Get out of my way, ladder. No! What are you doing, you stupid ladder? Ugh. There. Okay. Now, what we do is you grab this, and then I set you guys here. Sorry, not there. Maybe here. That works. Kind of. And grab this corner, shove a stick through it. Put it in the ground. If it'll even go in. There we go. Get a rock, and you just smash the ground. Make it soft. No, that's not good enough. Need it here. Stick. That one doesn't work. Here we go. Grab the rock again. Ah, frick. My god, dude. Okay. Aha! This'll work good. Just grab the frickin' camera because that's obviously not working. So this is the hole I'm digging. So the stick can go in. Okay, now we just, sorry for the camera, kick it on in. Pull it out, push it off, push this in. Wait, got a hole right here. Dang, 3 finger length. It goes way down too. Shut you guys here. Okay. Okay. We need a bigger, longer stick. This'll do. Okay. Now we stand up. Grab this stick. And just hammer it in. And then we just make sure it's nice and stable. Oh, freaking thing flew over again. That's great. Go. Come on. Alright, I guess that's good enough. Get over here, Leaf. I mean, it's not the best, but it's gonna have to work. Alright. Put that through here. Dang it, come here. Come here, dang. Oh my god. This is so difficult. Kids, this is why you don't use tarps for houses. Because it catches air too fast. And too good. Oh, this stick just got absolutely annihilated. But we're going to still use it. Not! You guys really think I'm that stupid. Ugh. There we go. Oh my god, see, there you go. Okay. And now we just catch this side with this. Pull that out. Move this rock. Put the camera down. Stick the stick in the ground. Ooh, perfect too. Grab a trusty rock. Hammer the stick in. And there you go. And then you grab another stick, which is already intact with the tar. Are you kidding me? And then you put the camera down. Come on, man. These sticks suck. Jeez, get out of my face. There. One stick down, another one to go because it won't stay in the tarp. Let's put this there. And then what can we do? Anchor it down with a rock. Anchor it down with another rock. And then we grab another rock and anchor that down. And then we need to go find another heavy rock to weigh that down. Okay, let's see. This'll work. Work perfect. Come on, weigh it down. It's weighed down. Then we get this stick in. Come on. Quit being so flimsy. Well, I mean, I guess that'll work. Oh! Right now, this thing is looking like a freaking parachute. Just drag this behind here, like that. Push a rock up against it, and it should be fine. Should be. Now, a new outside look, which is actually pretty cool, and a new inside look, which is more sunny but less covered, which is not cool, which is just not cool. So we're gonna put this right here. Ow, that actually hurt. All right, and grab this. If you guys have problems with grinding sounds, I'd quit the video now. Because I'm about to grind. Just put it like this, maybe? Oh, that doesn't work. Okay, how are we going to do this? I don't get this. We could try this and this. Come on. That works. Okay. So we're gonna sand this side down because that's gonna be one side and this is gonna be one side, so. gosh. This is a good freaking filer. Oh, my phone's dusty. Alright, well, it's coming together pretty good, if you guys could see it. So, depending on, should I do it this way? Because this, no, okay. It needs to be more tiny, which means I need, oh, dude, that just absolutely murdered this place. Let me just do this, get over the camera, there we go, that should be good. Oh my god, can't see anything, come on, there we go. Oh dude, got to be joking me right now. I'm gonna have to end the video here soon, guys. I gotta call my dad. So, here's the damage. This came out. And then since there's so much weight here, this just absolutely snapped. Look at that. Just snapped. Alright. Well, we'll get back on this episode of Gregory DeLeon Vlogs. So, see you guys. Wait, let's do that again.